Have you been wondering how several individuals make up to 3,000 naira just by using WhatsApp? Imagine making 3,000 naira every single day by an app you mostly use to chat up your friends and families without getting rewarded for any of the chats or messages you send to them. Now, on this video, I have brought to you another valuable way you can use to monetize your WhatsApp and earn daily with it. You don't have to joke with this right now because people are massively cashing out with this platform right now. Before I continue with this video, if you're coming across my channel for the first time or you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joaquin, and so what I do on this channel is that I show you various ways which you can make money online. And in valuable exchange, all I ask from you, my wonderful family, is to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to make money online, which I cannot share on this platform. You can find the links down there in the video description. So without no much talk, let's dive into the screen right now. Before I go ahead showing you how to register on this platform, let me go ahead to show you how to make at least 3,000 naira on this platform without any single investment. Over here, you can see that we have a WhatsApp tax that we can do right now. So what you want to do is to tap on this WhatsApp tax, click on start. So once you click on start, it's going to load up this particular page for you. So what you want to do is to input your WhatsApp number over here. So once you've inserted your WhatsApp number on this particular box, all you just need to do is to click on get code. So after clicking on get code, these are the codes that was generated for us. So what you just need to do is to copy this code and head over to your WhatsApp to link your device. So once you're on WhatsApp, all you just need to do is to go over to link device. Once you head over to link device, you just have to confirm this, then come over here to paste that code, and automatically it's going to be linked by itself. So once you're done linking your device on WhatsApp, automatically it's going to be connected to that particular platform. So we have actually linked this particular platform to our WhatsApp. You can actually rename it, but the main point is that we have actually linked that platform to our WhatsApp. Right now, we are going back to the platform to check if our account has been linked. So after linking your WhatsApp to this particular platform, you can see that you're currently showing online and you have 0 points. So the more you stay online on this platform, the more you earn on this platform. So let me go ahead to show you how you can accumulate 3,000 naira for yourself every day using this platform connected to your WhatsApp. But before I go on showing you that, please, if you've not liked this video, please do so right now, because I know you're actually getting value from this video. So to get at least 3,000 naira every day from this platform, all you just need to do is to come over to this add button over here. So once you click on add, you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers on this particular platform. So the more WhatsApp number you add on this platform, the more you accumulate your points, the more your earnings increase on this platform. And once you've accumulated all points and you feel you want to withdraw your earnings, you can quickly go over to your home where you see the withdraw button and place a withdrawal. I'm still going to be showing you that right now. So to place a withdrawal on this platform, all you just need to do is to go over to your account. So once you go over to your account, you can see account withdrawal. So once you click on account withdrawal, it's going to load up for you. You can see that 1,000 points is equivalent to 700 naira, and you can see the minimum withdrawal is 1,500 coin. And one thing about this platform is that you can withdraw straight into your local bank account, or you can use other means of withdrawal. Right over here, you can see that 1,000 points is equivalent to 700 naira. For instance, if I want to place this amount, once I click on withdraw now, you can see that the minimum withdrawal amount has been shown, and right now you can see that NGN simply means withdrawing directly to your Nigerian bank account. And you can also withdraw using the TRX, the IDR, the PKR, and the BTD. So these are various means you can use to place withdrawal on this platform. For instance, if you're withdrawing straight to your Nigerian bank account, you can actually click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, all you just need to do is to input your bank details over here, put in the bank number, bank name, and put in your password. That is, your login password is also your transaction password. So once you are done, you can save this and place your withdrawal once you've gotten to the particular threshold. So that is how you can place your withdrawal on this platform. And so right now you can see just these few minutes I was able to earn 20 more points to my account. And withdrawal does not take up to 2 to 3 minutes to reflect on your Naira Bank account once you place a withdrawal. Right now, to register on this platform, all you just need to do is to click the first link below the description of this video, and you're going to be shown this particular page. What you just need to do is to input a mobile number, enter a password, then we confirm that password, then hit register, and make sure you're using my referral code, which is D7EGQE. You're going to find this code below the description of this video. So once you're done registering for an account, all you just need to do is to log in daily, stay online, and earn on this particular platform. So this is very easy for you to start up using just your WhatsApp to earn daily for yourself. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. On my next video, I'll be showing a full withdrawal process on this platform.